Good morning, family. How are you guys doing? Hope everyone's having a great day. Before we get this video started and start working on the FRS, I've been getting a lot of questions recently regarding the Evo 8, and I kind of want to go over it and explain like the truth of why I don't really work on the car, or haven't worked on the car for probably like 2 months now. I haven't touched it. I've driven it, tried to drive it once, battery was dead. I'm just so sick and fed up and tired of this car now. Let me kind of explain what the hell is going on with the Evo 8. So here's the car in all of its glory. Still looks pretty damn good. There's so many little things that just really bug me about this car, and one major thing that is obvious with this thing, it needs to be tuned. Little things, let's go around the car. Coilovers, it's got HKS coilovers on it. They are not adjustable. I want to replace those. So I need to obviously get a new set of coilovers for the car. Number two, I don't know if I like these wheels on the car. Obviously they're sick wheels, they're Rookie XT9s. I was planning on selling them. I don't know, I might powder coat them white. I think white wheels would look sick on this car. Third thing, this headlight was leaking after I built them and I fixed it. I burnt it. So that's that. That really pissed me off. Fourth thing, it needs a lot of body work. I need to drop this thing off at the body shop, but in order to get it to the body shop, it needs to be running right. So it's got all that damage up there. It's got all this damage up here. Front fender needs to be painted on the other side. Bumper needs to be painted. This is a JDM replica bumper. I don't know if I'm gonna keep running it. It fits pretty damn good, so I probably will. I don't feel like buying another OEM one. What else? Oh, one more thing. Steering wheel, I still need to fix that. I put that cover on there and I never actually got it on properly, so I need to get that fixed. And it was missing those clips around the steering wheel. In order to buy those clips, I had to buy a whole another steering wheel for this car. So I'm stacking parts for this thing. Oh, I'm just like going on a freaking rant right now about my Evo, but it's okay. Next thing, the stupid freaking mini battery. I should have never done this mini battery in this car. Because I never drive this thing, the battery is always dead. Even if I want to go bring it down to the shop and wash the car, the battery's dead. I have to go over there, get the truck or get a Forester, hook it up and get this thing started. So I'll definitely be going back to a full-size battery. Fifth thing, sixth thing, seventh thing, I don't even know where we're at. This trunk is gutted. If anyone has that piece there, the wood, the spare tire, and the carpet for the trunk, please shoot me a DM on Instagram. I will gladly buy it off you. One more thing I need to complete the inside of this car. Other than that though, like the inside of this thing's sick. We got the back seat is stock. I don't know why that's sick, but it's pretty sick. In the front, we got our new Brahms. I freaking love these Brahms. Discount code is on the screen, guys. Go buy yourself a set of Brahms seats. We got the Android radio in there. We got the modified gauge cluster. We got the white stitching on the steering wheel. We got a Bobby Wallace. What's up? Go on our website, buy some of those if she has any left. I don't even know if she does. So that is what's going on with the Evo 8. I guess I should kind of address the elephant in the room. Why has Mark from Apex Power not tuned this car? And I don't want, there's like no point in going into all the details. Stuff just didn't really pan out at the end of the day with myself and Mark, so I decided to cut ties with him, decided to split ways. It sucks. Mark's still a good dude. He helped me out a ton with getting this Evo 8 up and running, so I appreciate that. But I hope that kind of cleared the air with the Evo 8. What's going on with it? Why is it not tuned? Why do I not drive the car? That is why. I will be doing a giveaway probably with the mini battery kit, but if anyone has a stock battery tray, hit me up on Instagram. Thank you. Before we jump into today's video, let's go ahead and do the winner for the TPMS nuts and the red lug nuts on this resurrection video. So there's a total of 312 comments. I'm just gonna come up here, grab the URL, paste it in there, get YouTube comments, click start. First winner is Timothy Peak. Black looks better. IG user Crazy Peak. My dude, I'll shoot you a DM on Instagram. Pick another winner. This is winner number 2. Winner number 2 is Big Bob SJS. My dude, please shoot me a DM on Instagram because I do not have your Instagram on here. Those are the 2 winners, guys. Let's get back to the video. What are we doing on the FRS today? So the last few days we spent wrapping this whole wide body kit. I'm kind of sick of wrapping. You guys are probably very sick of watching me vinyl wrap a car. I don't want to get the Brembos on yet because if I put the Brembos on, I can't put these wheels back on. These won't clear the Brembos, so I can't do that. I don't want to vinyl wrap the rest of the car. I can't build the wheels because we don't have all the wheel parts yet. You know what that leads me to? That leads me to doing the 2018, 2019, whatever, Subaru BRZ front bumper swap. I'm freaking stoked. We have a bunch of parts over here for it. We got like the fog light inserts. I think that should be the grille, the headlight brackets, and over in the storage trailer, the semi-trailer, is a front bumper. And this place is a freaking disaster. Wow, I should probably clean it out. That is a brand new bumper from Subaru. It is pretty dang cheap to go right to Subaru and pick one of those up. Now, if you guys want to do this 2018 BRZ front end swap on your 2013 to 16 BRZ or any FRS GT86, I will have the part number list down in the description box below. So every single part with a part number, you guys can go pick it up and do the swap on your car yourself. I think it ran me anywhere between like $350 and $450 for the whole front end swap, which is a pretty good deal. What is up with me and dead batteries? I swear every freaking car I own always gets a dead battery. In the meantime, let's get this thing charged. All right, the first thing I want to do is throw this bumper back on. I just want to kind of show you guys the difference between this bumper, maybe I'll do side by side as well, but this bumper on the car versus the 2018 BRZ bumper when we get on the car. This thing's pretty ratty. It's pretty beat up. Lip is still nice though. So that's what it looks like with the stock FRS bumper. This is like the 13 to 16. I think it's the only FRS bumper they make. I don't mind this bumper. I just got really bored of it. Now, if anyone with a wide body FRS or BRZ wants this bumper to swap onto their own car and you're local only, I repeat, freaking local only, I'm not gonna ship a bumper for free. Come pick this thing up. I don't want it. It's cut for a wide body car. Shoot me a DM on Instagram if you want it. I'm local to Spokane, Washington. You gotta come pick it up. I'm not going to ship it, so don't ask. Please don't ask. So I know we don't have any grills or headlights or anything on the car or a front lip yet. I don't even know what lip I'm gonna run yet. If you have any suggestions for a 2017 on-up BRZ bumper front lip, comment, let me know, or a slitter. But that's how it looks, guys. I freaking love. So you know how this one, the bottom part is smaller or more narrow than the top part? And this one's the opposite. What do you guys like better? I forget what they call this. That one's clean. That one's definitely clean, but this one is clean and aggressive. Exactly what I'm going for. That is so freaking sick. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is cut it. I'm kidding. I'm gonna get my front wide body panels on. So I got a new set right here from Raleigh Backer Japan in this box. I'm gonna open them up. We can set them on the bumper, kind of trace out what we need to cut, and then we can cut it. I'm guessing I just need to follow this cut right here down. That's where the factory like side marker sits. So I'll probably come down and something like that. Should be pretty easy. So I'm guessing it's gonna sit on there just like that. I am gonna throw on that front fender just to make sure we get everything lined up before I start drilling some holes. That looks good, that looks clean. All the gaps are good. I shouldn't have to do really any sanding on this. I don't see any, there's a few little like rough spots on it that I'll sand out before I wrap it, but that fits really nice. It's always kind of nerve-wracking drilling into your car, especially a brand new bumper that you just paid a few $100s for, and then you just get it home and drill into it. And not only do we have to drill into it, you got to cut a big chunk of it out. So I got the one side drilled. I'm gonna go do the other side right now, and then we can get this thing cut properly for the wide body panels. All right, so I got the bumper all lined up exactly where I want to cut it. I'm just going to be using this little cutoff wheel right here. It should cut through that plastic just fine. Let's cut into our brand new 2018 BRZ bumper. This is always fun. Well, the bumper is all finished up, ready to be wrapped. I'm looking at this thing and I'm trying to figure out how the hell am I supposed to wrap this bumper? The gist of the bumper should be pretty easy to do. I'm definitely gonna inlay this here, and I need to figure out what I'm gonna inlay down on the bottom as well. for the fog light section, because obviously I can't tuck vinyl way up in there and in there. I guess I don't really know. That's beside the point. We're not wrapping the bumper today. One thing I'm gonna wrap real quick though is these little guys. These should be about 5 to 10 minutes each piece. Let's go ahead and bang these things out. Big rip. All right guys, we got those 2 front panels done. Hold up, let me wipe this thing off. I didn't really want to vinyl wrap today, so I think the next thing I'm gonna do is kind of just disassemble the whole car. We gotta pull the wing off, taillights, bumper, mirrors, door handles, my little custom inner fender panels for the front, probably the front bumper, these little window trim pieces, the roof trim, the roof wrap, we gotta rewrap the roof, antenna. Who thinks I should do a different antenna? I don't really like that. Holy shit, will it ever stop raining? This is like the hardest rain I've ever seen in my life. It's freaking pounding down out here. That sounded weird. Who thinks I should do a different antenna though? That one looks kind of weird in my opinion. Maybe I'll just delete it because I don't ever use the radio anyway. Let's get to disassembling this thing so we can actually get this thing vinyl wrapped properly. We got the car completely disassembled, the bumper, the taillights, the door handles. The only thing I didn't take off yet, and I still need to do, but I'm not gonna do today, is all the stuff for the roof. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I should just do like an antenna delete, or if I should do a BRZ antenna. I think it's like a Sharkman looking antenna. Here's how the car looks, completely naked, pretty funny looking. I do have the front bumper on there. It just pops off though, it's not bolted on. This thing is ready to be vinyl wrapped. All right, so we're all finished up working on the FRS for today. I'm headed over to one of my good friend's house. He has an STI that is the most insane STI. I'm not even freaking kidding. I'm not joking. For surely the most insane STI in the US, one of the most insane STIs on the planet of Earth.
Hello. I forgot to put my bra on.
That thing's sick. I should cop one of these. You like that? What do you want? Hello. Sometimes you just gotta support local and not get Starbucks every day, really. Huh?
Yeah, I hate Starbucks. I'm still looking. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Just
Okay.
don't leave me.
Okay, thank you. Can I get an ice water?
Why are you getting an ice water after all this time thinking?
Because I'm almost up with my calories for the day. Thank you. Hey.
I had to make sure it was good.
It is good. Who does that on a highway ramp? God, stop believing.
Oh, good lord, you suck worse than I do.
Hey cutie, so what'd you blow up? Damn it, Josh!
Hi.
I always liked that car.
Want to see video?
Oh gosh.
Like, oh gosh.
Are we allowed to show all of YouTube?
No.
What?
All
What
two-
is,
all 200
please?
people.
No way.
Josh, what happened? Well, this is the car I was telling you guys about. Check out this build. I guess we're not making a video on this car for a few days.
Sad. Josh, it's all your fault.
Josh sent it to her. Yeah, when this thing's back up and running, we are gonna make some insane content on this car. Look at this turbo. It's like a TD04, stock WRX turbo.
Can you guys see me driving this? Ooh.
That sucks you broke that car. Should I tell YouTube what you did?
No.
All right, go send it down the block real quick.
No, no, no.
What, are you scared?
This is so freaking nice. This is what I want.
Almost as nice as the Genesis or the
Almost.
Forester. Zoom in on that shit.
That's what came out of the Evo.
That's Bader built for you.
Why does it look like poop?
Poop?
Yeah.
You probably took a shit in there and then it fucking blew up.
You did not say that, man. But
You dropped the valve.
I know.
And that was boost.
What's taking so long?
This laptop's really fucking slow. We're down a fucking rod bank this weekend.
Shut up.
He's already got a rod knock. Brand new motor.
No.
Come to Doc Day for all your food
He's out of here.
you need a little lube, okay?
Oh my god.
No, but what do you do? You don't use WD-40 as belts, bro. You just fucking
Belt conditioner.
Yeah.
WD-40. Look at that.
Yeah, it's gonna last like a minute. It got worse. Bader built as fuck. Alright guys, well we finally got the Evo up and running. It was kind of my fault the whole time. It's a 2015 Evo, so we had to create new definitions. I didn't know that John Schneider was there. Huge shout out to you, bro. So we got the car up and running, we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here though. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of a spiral of events today. If anyone wants to buy me a new laptop, bang my line, I'll take one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Why are you filming the truck?